Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to place an order for help book from gulibaba.com. By following simple steps, you will be easily able to find all the latest help book related to your IGNU course. Start by clicking on the IGNU help book given on the main menu. This will take you to the help book page where the books have been divided by the degree they apply to for your convenience. Select the degree you are pursuing from the list given on this page. I am picking BA Honors for example. This will take you to the BA Honors page. You can click the subject that the book is based on. To browse the entire collection of help book available on that subject, I am picking up History for example. This will take you to the page dedicated to the history subject that contains the list of all the books available on it. Here you can see the book code as well as the Hindi and English title of each book. When you find the help book you want, click on the book title. It will take you to the book details page that contain all the information related to this specific book. I am picking up the History of India first. Here you have the option to pick up between English medium and Hindi medium book. I am picking up English medium. Once you have picked the preferred language, click on the Add to Cart button. If this is your first time on the website, trying to add anything to the cart will redirect you to an account registration page. Here you will be asked to fill in all the relevant information required to create a free Gulibaba account like name, last name, mobile number, email ID. Once you have done that, check the term and condition box and click on the register button. Once you get the confirmation, you can click on the continue button to proceed to the checkout. From here, you can go back to browsing for more books to add to the cart. If you ever need to get back to the checkout section, simply click to the shopping cart button present on the top right of each page. This will again take you back to the checkout page where you can confirm your purchases and click on the checkout button to start the shipping process. This will take you to the page where you have to go through the shipping details. Here you will be required to provide some information about you, where you want study material to be shipped, address, city, pin code, district, state. Click on the Save My Details button. Now read all the available details of your order, which includes the final price as well as the package weight and the shipping cost. Once you have done that, you can then click on the Place Order button to begin the final process to the payment. In the final payment section, you will be given a summary of your due payment. Click on the Pay Now button to select between all the options available for online payment. Select the one that suits you best and complete the payment process. Thank you for shopping with Gulibaba. Your order is successfully placed.